Hello, my name is Courtney Manthe, the Director of Financial Aid here at Champion. This video is to explain more about the financial aid process and the award letter. The first step in the financial aid process is to complete a federal application for federal student aid, aka the FAFSA. You can do this by going online to studentaid.gov. You will need to fill out the FAFSA for the current year, which is the 2022-2023. After you have submitted the FAFSA, the results are usually available within 3 to 5 business days. So you will want to notify our financial aid office once you have submitted it so we can be on the lookout for your results. Let's talk about the financial aid award letter. The financial aid office uses the results from your FAFSA to create this letter informing you of the aid you are eligible to receive. With this letter, you'll be able to calculate your estimated cost of attendance and review your total financial aid package. The estimated cost of attendance as shown on this letter is based on the average cost Champion students have accumulated. The government requires colleges to set an estimated cost of attendance so they are able to calculate the amount of aid a student needs and can be awarded for that year. This does not mean every student will accumulate these expenses. The items that are direct billable costs from Champion are tuition, room and board, and fees. The indirect costs are books, personal expenses, and transportations. These are not billed by Champion, but just costs you could accumulate throughout the year. Let's do an example together. John Smith is a freshman that will be attending Champion in the fall and will be living on campus. We will take the tuition, $9,300, which is $310 per credit hour times 30 credit hours for the year, and plus the fees of $1,830 and his room and board of $6,800, bringing his total to $17,930. So now that we have our total cost, we will take the number and subtract our awarded aid to calculate the final total. John is receiving a Pell Grant of $6,895, the academic discount of $2,400, and he will also be awarded subsidized and unsubsidized loans totaling in $5,500. Because he is choosing to take out the max loans, we will subtract the loans, the Pell Grant, and the academic discount from our overall total of $17,930, bringing his final total to $3,050. This will be the remaining balance on your student account. Now that John has calculated his estimated cost of attendance, he is ready to finalize the award letter by checking each box of aid he is wanting to accept, signing it, and returning it to the financial aid office. We have finalized our financial aid, and the final step now would be to reach out to the finance office to select the payment option for the remaining balance. I hope this answers all of your questions, and please feel free to reach out to me if you need to. My email is courtney.manthe@champion.edu. Thank you.